friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to turn on airplane mode in a Infinix phone. How can you use guys your airplane mode setting, and guys you want to on your airplane mode in your Infinix phone. So friends, how can you on in this video friends? I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting to turn on guys your airplane mode. So first of all open your phone setting guys and we will scroll. So friends, you can see this type of settings. So friends, how can you turn on your aeroplane mode option? So friends, click on guys your mode connection setting, and guys you can see your aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode, so you can on from here, and guys aeroplane mode will on. After on guys you can see this icon on your aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So guys you can use guys your airplane mode setting. Your airplane mode will turn on in your Infinix one. After on guys your airplane mode guys, you cannot use guys your phone setting. Means guys you cannot call your friends and this one, and they also cannot contact with you. And guys you can use guys your offline, guys you can play your offline games, download movies, songs and which you have downloaded guys, you can use it only. You cannot use guys your YouTube, and guys you cannot use your mobile data as well as. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye.